What a beautiful color of pistachio nut it is. Look at that, guys. What a beauty. I really can't believe it. Last year come also little sunflower, but now quite lots of flower come. Last year one plant I put in ground, another one was in pot, and this year both I put together because sometime, look at that, guys. What a beauty. See, pistachio nut. And last year was one in ground and another one, and both give flower last year, but I didn't get the nut, so I feel they should be together, so I get nut easily. And this is May, so lots of flower in my garden, guys. Look at this apple flower. Look, guys, apple flower. It's pinky white. It's very cute, really. And pistachio especially, guys, I'm really gorgeous. You see, guys, you can see properly with the hand. Pistachio nut. And every single flower really have scent, so bee or other insect come to make fruits. So pistachio, guys, in UK, I don't know if people are growing pistachio or not. I buy 4 plant quite long time ago, last like maybe 7-8 years ago or something. I buy very small plant, but now have only 2. And 2 maybe die somewhere. How, I don't know. I lost 2 and 2 is there. Now there is one. Look at that, guys. There's one pistachio plant and another one is there. So they put together. I put together. So this plant nearly touching the soil, so I don't like it. So I use this one to make them little higher from the soil, so insect can't damage my flower. I hope this year I get some pistachio nut, guys. This is pistachio flower in UK, guys. UK is cold, so anywhere you can grow pistachio. This, I believe, flower is so gorgeous, guys. Pistachio flower. Other flower you can see, and also you can see the baby fruits. Look at that here, baby plum. Flower is over, and now this is baby plum coming. You see, guys. So this month is lots of flower coming, and baby fruits are coming. There are red currant, baby red currant. It's coming, guys. Look at that. Lots of red currant, baby. They're not red yet because still they are baby. And this is pear. Pear flower is over now. Fruits coming. And this is raspberry. Not flower come yet. This flower come soon. This is murder or something. I can't spell properly. And I have 2 type of nut this year. Flower, I don't know I got nut or not. This is walnut flower, guys. Look at that. I hope I'll get walnut. Sorry, hay fever. And you can see other little fruits are. This is cherry flower, guys. And little cherry are coming, baby cherry. This is baby cherry coming. Hay fever making trouble. There's my rhubarb, and I want to show. Look, guys, strawberry flower. Little baby strawberry coming, and baby fig, guys. Last year these 2 plant fig come, but not stay. They dropped because last year was first year I put in the ground, so they wasn't strong enough to give me fruits. And I want to see raspberry flower. Raspberry flower, release raspberry flower, guys. We are making fruit. Lots of flowers are coming, and you can see my akebia plant. You see, akebia, but insect eating because I don't give any medicine. I do everything organically. And you want to see the grapes flower? Let me show you the grapes flower. Proper one I want to see here. Yeah, that is grapes flower, guys. This flower not bloom, I think. They just come like this. Grapes flower. More proper one I want to show you guys. Yeah, that is properly. You can see grapes flower. It is the one flower. The one. Yeah. This one is a flower, guys. So lots of flower of fruits come, and yeah, there's flower of grapes. Last year I get lots of grapes already. This is 2023 and now May. So look at that, my garden overview, guys. Also apple flower, guys, look at that. Also apple flower come. And oh, quince. Let me show you quince, guys. Quince flower. Does it look like rose? And look at that quince flower, guys. People say quince are very healthy. People should eat. Look at that. Look like rose. Then they bloom like a flower. It's a butterfly doing some job in quince flower, so I shouldn't disturb them. But lots of flower come. Quince flower coming. They have two plants, guys. This is quite older plant. And look my fig, baby fig, guys. Also raspberry make jungle. I can't see some fruit tree because of raspberry jungle. This is rhubarb flower, guys. It look nice, rhubarb flower. Rhubarb not fake fruits. It is just, I don't know, maybe make seed. I don't need too much rhubarb. Still, if seed, maybe I will keep some for family, friends, like this. There is another quince tree. This just last year I put. They both this year give flower, so fruits coming very soon. I hope this year. So there is my garden today, and look at that overview of my garden now, guys. An apple flower, guys. Bye bye. I show you my. This is flower of, you know, what is called parsley flower. Yeah, guys, parsley flower. Also flower are in the garden, and this my beetroot are coming. Let me show you something. Nettle plant, guys. My friends always ask me about nettle plant. And this is the nettle plant. So this is my garden, very productive at the moment, and they have some gooseberry. Let me show the baby gooseberry coming. my radish coming automatically. And baby gooseberry. Look at that, guys. Gooseberry, baby gooseberry coming. They're not ready yet for fruits. And this apple come from this main plant. And there was one branch. I cut it. This wood is from this. Making garden change every day if I'm free. And look how much red currant come. Still they are not red because they are baby. So this is another fruit, flowers, like a blueberry, wild one. Oh, see thornberry, but fruits not come. It's only leaves. So guys, do your garden improve every day because garden give you lots of food, vegetables, herbs. Even you can make tea from lots of fruit trees. My bay leaves, guys. I have 2 bay leaves and they are growing, doing very well. And this is pawpaw, guys. Nice leaves come. Pawpaw, even bay, small pawpaw plant, he also doing very well. I'm very happy about pawpaw. Pawpaw is similar like a custard apple. I didn't eat, but in YouTube I see people eating and explaining. It's my mint. So guys, gardening is very fun and also like a little exercise. When I do too much computer work, I feel bored and it is not good for eye also. So I come garden and do some, look after my garden, take something and give something back. Garden main thing is digging and also checking what should do. Grass, remove the grass, weed and give space for the plant more and more. This is gardening. Still little cold, so my pomegranate plant from seed I make. So this is very nice flower. It's called, I forgot name. Anyway, these grapes plant are growing, doing very well. And my rose plant is another rose plant, guys. They will not give a flower coming soon. Rose, this is yellow rose, very scenty. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye and peace. Do your boost gardening.